Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to prototype in Figma. Prototypes basically allow you to see how the design will behave, and what you want to do first is to click on prototype right there in the right corner, and now what you need to do is create a connection, and after that we will run that prototype. Now you want to select an image. And when you select it and you are on prototype, now you can actually drag the mouse and click on it like so. And as you can see, now it navigates to this card when we created this connection. To remove this connection, you would need to click on this arrow and drag it to an empty area like a canvas and so on and so forth, and just release it. But first we're gonna open up a blue box which will appear right there at the top, which is called flow. And now you can actually move the position where you want that connection to start, but I'm just gonna leave it like so. And yeah, once we've done this connection, we can actually click on this present button. Now we will be redirected to our connection, to our page, and when you click on this image, it will open up this big card we created. Of course, this is not the best example maybe, but that's how you create that connection. You can just delete like so and do it once again. But yeah, that's how you create prototypes. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.